So how to start dropshipping with no money? When I say no money, it's really $0. You don't have to pay for any advertising costs. You don't have to pay for any platform. You don't have to build a website. Everything is for free. So inside this video, I'm going to discuss with you 3 stuff. First, why 99% of people fail on dropshipping. And second, how do I do dropshipping with my store. And third, what you can do it too. So here are the time steps. You can fast forward, but I will recommend that you watch the entire video that you can get a better understanding. So let's jump on to the first why 99% of people that fail on dropshipping. So why people are failing on dropshipping? First is the advertising cost. Facebook, Google, they are charging a lot of money. So normally they will charge you $1 for 1 visitor. So just imagine if you got 100 visitors on your store, and that means it's $100 per day. And if you have advertised for 30 days, then that is $3,000 for a month. Then how long you can not making any money for your store? And second is the Shopify subscription fee. And we all know Shopify have a 14-day free trial, but after 14-day free trial, you will start need to pay the $29 per month. And if you have not making any money for 6 months, you will have to pay for $174. And how much money that you can start losing if you don't make any money on your store. So what did I do with my dropshipping store? So instead of choosing Shopify, I choose VidIQ. This is a platform that you can use it for free. So when I say for free, it's not free trial, it's free forever. So you can test our product on this VidIQ and finding your winning product. So advertise that I will do is instead of drive traffic from Facebook or Google, I will start my Instagram page. I will build a niche page and start driving traffic from this page to my VidIQ. So people will start buying product on there so I can make money. So I have a basketball page that now has 80,000 followers that you can see from here. And I made a lot of videos on this page with got millions of views and thousands of followers every single day. So these people will jump onto my dropshipping store to find out the product that I sell. So this is what you can do it too. So what you can do is you can start your own Instagram niche page. A niche page means from your interest. What do you interest? Like if you love basketball, you can start a basketball page. If you love animal, you can start an animal page. If you love a business or motivational niche, you can start this page. So you can start a page that related to your interest so you can feel more fun when you're building this page. If you want to know more detail about how to build your page, how to get millions of views, and how to get thousands of followers every single day, you can check out this video. After watching this video, then you can click on that video to watch how do I build my page. So what I recommend is after you have over 50,000 followers on your page, then you're going to start a dropshipping store on your page. Before 50,000 followers, you're going to focus on how to build your page. Then after 50,000 followers, you can start a dropshipping store and start making money. So you can jump onto AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping and gonna find a product that is related to your niche, that people love the product that you provide. Then they're gonna start buying product that you offer. And you're gonna find a product that shipped from the US if you are selling to the US market, and also they have a shipping time is less than 14 days because you don't want to find a shipping time is over a month or 2 months, then that is too long. And once your customer purchase, and they will start argue about the shipping time, and they will start go to their bank to looking for a refund, and you don't want that happen. So with VidIQ that you can test 5 products on your page, that you don't have to pay for anything. You can test out 5 products, then you're gonna find your winning product. You're gonna test out these 5 products, and if you make the first sale on any of these products, then next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna order to you, and you're gonna start having the product in your hand, and you're gonna make your own video. Why? Because the video will gonna stand out because it's unique, and you have the video, you can show it all different ways to make your own kind of videos. And once this video go viral, you can start generate thousands and thousands of followers and thousands of money and you're gonna love it. So this is the way that you're gonna start building your store. So now I show you the correct way to do dropshipping. That's how I did my dropshipping store. You always just focus on, if you are less than 50,000 followers, just focus on building your page. If you are more than 50,000 followers, just focus on finding winning product. And after you finding the winning product, you're gonna order it and you're gonna start making your own video, so your video can go viral and can make you even more thousands and thousands of dollars. So this is how you're gonna start your dropshipping store on your Instagram page. And hope you liked today's video, and if you got any question, you are always welcome to leave inside the comment section. I will reply to each and every one. And you got value out of this video, you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. I'll be really appreciate it. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so you will get a notification once I post any of these kind of video to help you to generate money or to build your Instagram page. So I'm Johnson Lin. Be motivate yourself and never give up.